Hey everyone, welcome to Nebo app. It's a note-taking app where ideas take shape. This app works with Windows, Mac, and basically all Apple, Microsoft, and Android devices. Got it? Well, maybe not every single device, but if it's powerful enough, you should be able to use it, okay? It's a tool for taking notes. Here are some examples of what we can do. We can take notes using slides, alright? We've also got Canva style options, okay? It's a note-taking tool, got it? And it can convert handwriting to text. See? They've shown us how to do it, write with a stylus or whatever, and it types it out neatly. We can also create gestures to erase or draw perfect shape. Nebo has a smart detection system that understands what you're trying to do as you write, okay? It also lets you switch between dark and light modes, got it? It's designed for Apple devices, as it says here, alright? It syncs across devices too, which is really handy, and I think all this is free, right? We get 5 free pages, then it's paid after that, okay? It's compatible with Apple Pencil and other tools. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick review, to give you an idea of how this tool scores. We're seeing that out of how many reviews? Out of 20,000 reviews, it's got 4.8 on Android, so it looks pretty solid, and it really is. Basically, the tool shows a lot of promise. It's true, we're talking about a paid tool here. 5 free pages, then you pay. So it's not free, okay? It has, for example, note management, folder creation, and more. It has a very good interface. Well, here it shows 4.12. So where does this 4.8 come from? Here it says 4.2. 4.2 on phone, got it. On Chromebook, it's 4.6, and on tablet, where people really want to use it, it's 4.7. It's true that these apps might not be as good without a stylus or digital pen, okay? I don't think they're that great. And on a computer, it's not even worth trying. So that's all I have to say. Hope you enjoyed the review, and see you in other videos.